Minister in charge of Power, Community and Rural Development and Taxation, A.T. Mondal, yesterday inaugurated a state-of-the-art Ayush Research Division in the IA Ayurvedic Medical College at USTM in the presence of Mahbubul Haq, Chancellor, USTM, Professor Anil Kumar Sharma, Director, IAMC, officials, faculty doctors and the students. Addressing the students, the minister emphasized the significance of the first private Ayurvedic college in the region. He highlighted its role in providing local students with an alternative to travelling to distant locations. The minister encouraged students to embrace the opportunities offered by the university.
But the thing why he has told, because he worked more than 10 hours per day, that's why Infosys is where today he has brought it. Otherwise he would not be there. So from his own experience he was telling. Now from here, God has given everybody the mental intelligence. But then there are somebody who is gifted.